something about aroma of roasting peanuts and dry coconut that takes me instantly back to traditional Maharashtrian kitchen. If you have been looking for perfect Bharli Vangi, you are at the right place.
Lily Vangi.
Fresh, juicy.
We are going to keep the stems on. It helps the eggplant to hold its shape and look beautiful on plate. Just make a cross slit from bottom, stopping just before the stem, and here's a tip. Immediately drop them into salted water. This stops them from turning bitter while we prep for our mutton or stuffing. Now let's talk about the heart of the dish, the stuffing. This bharli vangi doesn't use ginger or garlic in its base. Instead, it relies on three power ingredients: roasted peanuts, dry coconut, and onions. We have started by roasting onions, dried coconut, and coriander seeds. To this, we added some gora masala, garam masala, and red chili powder. This mixture is going to add to the dish that signature flavors and aroma. Now to balance it, we add some coriander and some jaggery. Set this mixture aside and let's start by roasting our peanuts. This is a simple step, but it makes all the difference in the flavor. I'm adding them to a dry pan on medium heat. No oil needed here. Keep stirring continuously. Once they are cool and peeled into the mortar pestle they cook. We are not looking for a fine powder here, just a coarse crush. Add them to the stuffing with some salt and coriander. Mix and combine the flavors really well. While stuffing the brinjals, be generous. Pack that masala right into the center so every bite is flavorful. Don't worry if you have a leftover masala. We'll use it later to thicken our gravy. Stuff all the brinjals as shown. I've also added a potato because I love how it absorbs the flavors. In a clay pot, heat some peanut oil. Add mustard, cumin seeds, and a pinch of hing. Now, heat the brinjals gently. Pour in the remaining masala. If you are following the old school way, pour a little water on a flat lid. The steam created inside keep the brinjals moist and prevents them from sticking to the bottom. After 10 minutes, add the warm water from the lid to the vegetable to form a light gravy. 10 more minutes on the low flame and the kitchen smells incredible. There is no better way than to eat this with a hot handmade bhakri. And that's our version of Bharli Vangi. Do subscribe to watch more recipes.